Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can receive notifications from indicator on TradingView. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TradingView and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface on your screen where you can see the chart of the BTC USDT, and right down below this chart you can see the 24-hour volume indicator. So you simply need to right click on this indicator, and now you can see the add alert on 24-hour volume. So tap on that option, and now you can see notifications at the right side, right? So you need to click on that notification, and you can see lots of notifications. You can choose according to your want, and finally click on create, and you'll be able to receive notifications successfully. So basically this is how you can receive notifications from indicator, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.